Hi everyone, I feel like eating a simple snack. Well, I want a milkshake, but I'm gonna make my own. I'm gonna use frozen strawberries, almond milk, and some monk fruit. Let's get started. I think any blender may work, I don't know, but I've done regular blenders and they don't work for me. So I have a Ninja, so you're gonna use a Ninja, okay? I like it, I'm sorry, but I'm sure y'all have some good blenders. If they work for you, great. But I've burned several of them, so I'm gonna use my Ninja. And guys, I'm sorry, I don't measure. I'm more of those people that dump everything and then just hope for the best. That's yeah, some of my friends don't like it because I do not measure. But so I'm saying this is probably 2 cups. Okay, I just used the rest of the bag, whatever was left. So here we go. Oh, that's how I roll. I'm sorry. So I think that's about 2 cups. And I didn't measure again. I used the rest of this almond milk. So I'm guessing this is about 1.5 cups. So we're gonna do that. Now I did measure this. I put 2 tablespoons of a monk fruit. All right, here we go. Let's blend it. All right, as you can see, now I did it correctly. If you have a Ninja, you know if it's not placed on correctly, it will not go. So let's try it now. Okay, I need more milk. I did not have any more almond milk, so I'm just gonna use regular milk. But if you have enough almond milk, then go for it, use it. Okay, I placed enough. So I think that'll work. I know, I'm one of those cooks that don't measure, and yeah, it's pretty bad. I know. If you are, one of those professional culinary artists, I'm so sorry. So good. So if you can have sugar, then of course you can put sugar. I can't have too much sugar. I start aching all over the place. So I use monk fruit. You could put more. I probably could have put some more monk fruit, but this is fine with me. I don't like things too sweetened. I think that's the word. Yeah, too sweet. So anyway, there you go. Quick and easy milkshake. All right, enjoy. Bye.